Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Taking a look at Bitcoin today, this is still in a downtrend and we could pull that through there. And we also have over here this range prior to this sell-off, okay, key level here. Okay, we can see profit taking going on. Okay, we're at a bit of a crossroads here. Just going to quickly go out and see what it looks like on the monthly. Definitely, want to know what we're trading into and or away from. So on the monthly, we can see, where price is currently trading. We've got a key monthly level right there. Quickly down to the weekly. Let's do a top down and have a look. Yeah, I mean, that comes into play. We can see this is a big level. Alrighty, down to the 4-hour chart again. Alright, there's your monthly through here. Alright, so we've tapped around 50% of this order block. Be careful, I mean, if this is a liquidity sweep, it wouldn't surprise me we get another tap into this this range through here. So just be a little bit careful. We go down to, say, a 30-minute. For me to get involved, I'd like to see, we have this range. But keep in mind, we have over here this range to contend with here as well. You could get involved with this on the lower time frame, not financial advice, of course, but I'd be looking for something like perhaps a break of this low here. Then you're going to have the retest and fail, and then you're going to have to kind of work your way through this, and it could range through here for a bit, so I mean, it's one of those things. Then of course, if we get that, something like this, I'd be more committed, I think, definitely, if we get a break of this level right here, retest and fail here. That's where I'd get really interested, I think. Be careful, guys. I mean, you could trade this on the lower time frame and ride the volatility, definitely. So what we'll do, we'll go down to the lower time frames and take a look at this. I'll leave these drawings on here. Okay, I'll go to a 2-chart layout. So the kind of setup I'll be looking for will be, see, this is pretty bullish at the moment. I wouldn't be looking to short this in a hurry. But you can see our indicators are showing us the levels. So the white line here is the monthly that I was talking about, and then we've got this orange line is the weekly, and we've got a daily level here. So yeah, I mean, that's a big level right through here. That's what I was saying, we trade back down here, watch out, and then, I'd be interested in the break of that low, I think, I think that makes more sense if we get it. At the moment, I wouldn't be buying, given that we're trading into this, regardless of, that's actually not my breakout at all. I'm testing another idea. Let me just get rid of that. Break test. See, arrows have disappeared. And we don't have any breakout signals on the 3-minute here at all. So we don't touch it. It kind of makes sense here, see? We get a break of that. A couple of ranges here. I don't want to analyze this thing to death, but there's no trade setup. I mean, just be careful with this. Right, it could range through here for a while. And, you want to see a clean break of this low, I reckon, before getting involved. I think that really would be my bottom line. Yep, so on the 30-minute, I mean, that's what we're looking at. And then retest fail here. If this doesn't set up, then we abandon this idea completely. I mean, it could trade north. I mean, it could break structure here and continue on. So I guess the same would apply on the upside. Break, retest and fail. But I mean, let's just have a quick look at that. Go out to, let's just have a look at that chart layout. Look at the 4-hour. What does that look like? See, we've traded right up into this order block. That's why I'm thinking this is a liquidity sweep, looking for more downside. In any case, if it does happen to work its way through here, I mean, it's going to take a bit. For me to get involved here, I'd want to see the break retest of this, break retest of that. We've got a gap you can see here. There's a dark patch through here. We could trade up. That's our next level. In here you can see the shaded zone. Either way, it's going to be the break, retest and fail north or south. Anyway, we'll keep an eye on it, and if an opportunity arises, I might make a bit of noise. So that's the other idea here. Okay, with that, guys, that's my take on Bitcoin at the moment. Just be careful. After you see a strong rally like that, just let the dust settle. With that, jump on board with us, guys. We've got a Discord channel. The link's below the video. It's free to join. It'd be great to see you in there. So with that, safe trading. See you in the next video.